Welcome back, Crammers, to question 5. Pat has 4 parcels A, B, C, and D. The weight of parcel A is 400 grams, which is given. The weight of parcel B is 350 grams more than the weight of parcel A, so that means we simply add 350. So 400 plus 350 gives us 750 grams. The weight of parcel C is twice the weight of parcel A, so that simply means 2 times 400. So this is simply 800 grams. And the total weight of the 4 parcels is 2.5 kilograms. Notice how everything is given in grams. However, the total weight is given in kilograms. So we can convert that to grams to make life easier. So 2.5 kilograms times 1,000 gives us 2,500 grams. Now that we know the total weightage and we know 3 boxes weightage, we can simply subtract that to find the value of D. So 2,500 minus 400 minus 750 minus 800 should give us our answer. As seen here, 2,500 minus 400 minus 750 minus 800 gives us 550 grams. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.